Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create an animated rainbow text in CapCut. So first, you just need to add a text and just style it as you like. Change the font and also the style you want. And then after that, just export the text video. Okay, so now start a new project with the video that you just saved, this one, and then add this rainbow overlay. So I got it from TikTok, and you can just find the one on TikTok like I did, and here just fit the size. Go to blend and select the burn option, this one. Click on a check icon and you are basically done. So this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on a thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.